Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be another collab, and it's the useful DIY challenge, and the host is Mom from Momdas Life Handmade, and her co-host for this month of July is Michelle from Michelle's Cozy Home. They are two amazing DIYers here on this platform, and I would have a link for their videos and the playlist in the description below. Feel free to check them out after you have finished watching my channel. So for my DIY, I'll be showing you how I made this multi-purpose functional home decor piece that you can use as a headband holder or a mask holder. So I started off with some cedar strips, which I cut down to size. I would leave the measurements in the description below, and I just took two pieces and I used my Dunlop wood glue and glued it together, and I left it to dry. I did use my mini clamps and clamp to the edges so that it stays together while it was drying. Once it was fully dried, I took some of this acrylic paint that I absolutely hate because it was very sheer. I had to use at least 6 coats of paint to get it opaque, but I can't really do anything about it. I have to use it up because I purchased it at my local craft store, and yeah, that's it. I did paint the back of this piece. I did give it 1 coat of paint just to hide the wood, and I let it dry in between each coat. Once it was fully dried, I measured, but again I measured wrong because the size of the cedar strip at the beginning, it was not even. So I just measured where I see fit, and I placed some of these mug hooks that I purchased from the hardware, and I placed 6 onto the strip. You can pre-drill if you choose to, but it wasn't necessary. It was very easy to add the hooks through the wood. I did place 2 of the hooks to the top. I did squeeze them in to give them more of an eye hook look, so that I can add a string to hang this onto the wall. This was a very easy DIY. It is a 2-part series because I do have another hair accessory holder for my daughter's room, so stay tuned for that later on in this week. You can also use those clothespins and glue it to the top or to the front, and use that if you don't have those eye hooks, and you can clip the headbands onto the piece of wood. I took some of these stickers, my alphabet stickers. You can purchase these at any dollar store or craft store, and I just spelt out the word headbands. I definitely will be making another one of this piece to place my mask closer to my front door. So if you would like to see that, leave a comment down below. Also, if you'd like to see more room organization for kids or for adults, leave a comment as well. I did embellish the piece with some of those butterfly stickers. I just placed a couple here and there on the sign. Once I had everything placed where I needed it, I just smoothed out all the letters. You can apply some Mod Podge if you choose to, which I didn't. And this is the finished look of the piece. Don't forget to subscribe to those lovely ladies channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.